Tips you should know using Windows 11 2023. Hello everyone and welcome to our video about using Windows 11 in 2023. Windows 11 comes with fantastic new features and improvements compared to its earlier versions. In this video, we'll share some of the best tips and tricks to help you make the most of your Windows 11 experience. We have over 20 tips to show you, so let's get started. Microsoft Edge is the default browser on Windows 11, but if you want to use a different one like Google Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Vivaldi, you can change it. To do this, go to the taskbar and click the Start button, then right-click and select Settings. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the Windows key and I simultaneously. In the Settings app, click on Apps in the left pane and then select Default Apps. On the right side, scroll down and find the browser you prefer, which should already be installed on your computer. Select it. Instead of going through the tedious process of setting the default browser for each file type individually, go back to the top and click Set Default. This will set your chosen browser as the default for most file types listed. If you encounter specific file types that still open in the old browser, you can scroll through the list, find the file type, select it, and then click Set Default to associate it with your new browser. That's it! You've now changed your default browser in Windows 11. While you're in the Settings menu, enabling dark mode can be a good idea for a more comfortable viewing experience and potentially saving battery life on your laptop. Here's how to do it. In the Settings app, navigate to Personalization. Then, click on Colors. In the Choose Your Mode drop-down menu, select Dark. By following these steps, you'll switch your Windows 11 interface to dark mode, which is easier on the eyes and can be beneficial for laptop users looking to conserve battery life. Windows 11 introduced a significant change by centering the Start button and pinned programs in the taskbar. Some users like it, while others prefer the traditional left side placement. If you're in the latter group and want to move the Start button to the left side, follow these steps. Right-click on an empty space in the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and choose Taskbar Behaviors. In the drop-down menu, for taskbar alignment, select Left. This will move the Start button and pinned programs to the left side of the taskbar. If you ever want to switch back to the centered position, repeat these steps and select Center in the last step. Windows 11 introduced a helpful productivity feature called Snap Layouts to easily organize open programs and windows on your screen, especially if you're using a single monitor. Here's how to use it. You can activate Snap Layouts by using the keyboard shortcut, press the Windows key plus Z. Alternatively, you can hover your cursor over the Maximize Resize button in the upper right corner of any window. This will display various layout options. Choose one of the layouts listed to select a zone for the current window. This will fill that zone with the window. To fill out the other zones, simply select the remaining windows you want to arrange. They will automatically fit into the available zones. This feature is great for multitasking and managing your workspace efficiently on a single monitor in Windows 11. Microsoft has introduced a quality of life improvement in Windows 11 by allowing users to use multiple tabs in File Explorer, making it work similar to web browsers. Here's how it works. To open a new tab, click on the plus sign within the File Explorer window. This functions just like opening a new tab in a web browser. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus T to quickly open a tab. With this feature, you can easily navigate between different drives or folders in separate tabs within File Explorer, improving your file management experience. For those who love using keyboard shortcuts, Windows 11 introduces some new ones for various functions. Windows key plus W opens the taskbar widgets panel, giving you access to weather, news, and more. Windows key plus A opens up quick settings. Windows key plus N will open the notification center. And if you use Microsoft Teams, Windows key plus C opens the Teams chat right from your taskbar. Sometimes you may see items on your taskbar that you don't want, such as the Widgets panel, the search button, which might seem redundant since you can also search from the Start menu, Task View, and Chat. To remove any of these, follow these steps. Right-click on an empty section in the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings. For the items you want to hide, click the toggle switch to turn them off. By doing this, you can customize your taskbar and streamline it to include only the items you find useful. To keep your computer running smoothly, it's important to remove unnecessary files and clutter. Here are some steps you can take in Windows 11. Open the Settings app. In the System section, click on Storage. In Storage Management, turn on Storage Sense. This will feature automatically free up space by deleting temporary files and other unnecessary items. You can configure when it runs. Notifications on your PC can sometimes be overwhelming. To manage them, go to Settings and select System. In the System section, choose Notifications. You have the option to turn off all notifications by clicking the toggle switch at the top. However, this is not recommended as some notifications can be important. Instead, it's better to go to the Notifications from Apps and Other Senders section. Here, you can sort notifications by most recent or name. Then, you can individually turn off notifications for specific apps that you don't want to receive notifications from. By following these steps, you can keep your computer clean and avoid unnecessary notifications while still receiving important ones. The feature in Windows 11 that helps reduce distractions, formerly known as Focus Assist, has been renamed to simply Focus. Here's how you can use it. In the Settings app, navigate to the System section. Find and click on Focus. When you activate Focus, it enables a Do Not Disturb mode. This means that apps in the taskbar won't flash, alert you, or show badge notifications, reducing distractions. You can set the duration of your focus session by clicking either the minus or plus buttons. You can choose a duration anywhere from 5 minutes to up to 4 hours. When you click Start Focus Session, it will open the clock app with a timer. This feature is helpful for minimizing distractions and staying focused on your tasks or work in Windows 11. In Windows 11, there's a change in the right-click menu when you select a file. The right-click menu now shows only what Microsoft considers important, and it may include listing for Microsoft's own products like Clipchamp and Skype. To access the full menu, which includes options like scanning a file with Microsoft Defender, you need to perform an extra click on Show More Options. This change has been an annoyance for many users who are used to seeing the full menu immediately upon right-clicking a file. We talked about the Widgets panel earlier. When you hover your cursor over it in the taskbar, it displays information like weather, news, sports, and more. You can customize what appears here by following these steps. Click on the plus icon on the top of the Widgets panel. You'll have a limited selection of widgets to choose from. For example, if you want to add a gaming widget, click on the plus icon next to it. To remove any widgets you don't want, usually represented by 3 dots or lines for that widget. Select Unpin Widget to remove it from the Widgets panel. By customizing the Widgets panel, you can have quick access to the information that matters most to you in Windows 11. A helpful tip to speed up your PC's boot time is to disable unnecessary apps and programs from launching at startup. Here's how you can do it. Right-click on the Start button and choose Task Manager. Alternatively, you can right-click on an empty section of the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on Startup in the left pane. You'll see a list of programs that start when your computer boots up. To prevent a program from launching at startup, click on the program you want to disable. After clicking the program, click the Disable button. Repeat this process for all the programs you know you don't need to start when your computer boots up. By disabling unnecessary startup programs, you can significantly improve your PC's boot time and overall performance. Similar to typing on a cell phone or tablet, Windows 11 offers a helpful feature for correcting misspelled words and providing text suggestions. To activate this feature, follow these steps. Open the Settings app. In the left pane, click on Time and Language. On the right side, select Typing. For most users, I recommend turning on the following options: Show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard, Autocorrect misspelled words, and Highlight misspelled words. Enabling these options can improve your typing experience and help you avoid spelling mistakes. To easily reach out our favorite programs, many of us like to keep them on our taskbar or pin them to the Start menu. Here's how you can do it. Left-click on the Start button. Select All Apps. Locate your desired program in the list, right-click on the program, choose Pin to Start. If you want to pin it to your taskbar as well, you can select More and then find the option to pin it to the taskbar. Now, when you go back to your Start menu, you'll see the program there for quick access. Here's a general tip for Windows users. Make the most of the accessibility features that Windows offers. Every year, these features improve to make your computing experience better. Here's how you can access them. Open the Settings app. In the left pane, click on Accessibility. Now let me point out a few accessibility options that might be useful for some users. Text size. If you have difficulty with small text, go to Text Size and use the slider to adjust the size of the text. Mouse pointer and touch. Here, you can customize the style of your mouse cursor, including choosing a different color. Hearing. In the Hearing section, select Audio. Enabling mono audio can help those with hearing issues hear spoken words more clearly. These accessibility features are designed to make Windows more user-friendly and accommodating for individuals with different needs. To take a screenshot on Windows without needing third-party software, you can use the snipping tool, which is quite handy. Here's how you can quickly open it using a keyboard shortcut. press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. Once the snipping tool is open, you'll have several options for capturing your screenshot, including rectangle, allows you to select a rectangular area on your screen, freeform, enables you to draw a custom shape to capture. Window captures the content of a specific window, and full screen captures the entire screen. For example, if you choose rectangle, click and drag to select the area you want to capture and then release the mouse button. After taking your screenshot, you can annotate it, save it to your computer, and easily share it with others. In a world where many companies collect user data for profit, it can be challenging to stop them completely. However, you can take steps to limit what Microsoft collects about you. Here's a tip on how to do it. Open the Settings app. In the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. On the right, select General. In the General settings, you'll find 4 options. To limit what Microsoft collects and knows about you, especially regarding personalized ads, switch all 4 of these options to off. Pay particularly attention to the top one, which is related to personalized ads. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Turning this off can help you reduce the amount of personalized data Microsoft collects from you. And to add a bit of fun to your Windows experience, you can use emojis too. It's a sign of the times, and while not everyone may be a fan, they can be a playful addition. To use emojis anywhere within Windows, just use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus period key. There's a wide variety to choose from, so feel free to have fun with it. Thanks for watching. If you found any of these tips helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and share it. Feel free to share your own Windows 11 tips in the comments, and if you're new, subscribe to our channel for the latest on Windows 11 and other tech topics here on System Secrets.